Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an account on GitHub. Just follow my steps and let's begin. First, go to your browser and type in GitHub, and you want to select the first option right here. Now, you will have two options here. If you have an account, go click sign in, and if you don't have, click sign up. In here, they're gonna ask for your information details like your email and also your own password. Just fill this up. Now once you're done, enter your desired username here. You want to make sure that your username is unique. And if you want to have their update via email, you can do so by typing yes for Y or simply N for no. And they're going to assure that you're not a bot or something, just follow some of their guidelines. And now simply click account. And make sure that your Gmail account you've entered a while ago is working. Now go to your Gmail and look for the code they've sent to you. And now for the last few steps, they're going to ask some questions. Just fill that up. Once you're done, click continue. Now when you're here, there's two options where you can try GitHub for free, or if you want to have a premium account, go select the other option. But for our video, we'll try the free one. Now just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.